Accidents happen, and when they do, the need for a replacement hire car can arise swiftly. Whether you're dealing with the aftermath of a minor fender bender or a more serious collision, understanding the ins and outs of renting a car after an accident is crucial. This article will explore the various aspects of accident replacement hire cars, including the process, who pays, and tips for a seamless experience. When your car is out of commission due to an accident, having access to a replacement hire car can significantly reduce stress and maintain your daily routine. It allows you to continue commuting to work, running errands, or handling family obligations without interruption. Moreover, it helps mitigate the financial impact of being without your vehicle, especially if your car is in for extensive repairs. Before diving into the rental process, it's essential to familiarise yourself with your insurance policy. Not all auto insurance plans cover rental cars, and the specifics can vary widely. Here are a few key points to consider. 1. Rental coverage. Some policies include rental car coverage as an add-on. If you're unsure whether you have this coverage, reviewing your policy or contacting your insurance agent can provide clarity. 2. Fault determination. If you were not at fault in the accident, your insurance or the at-fault party's insurance may cover the rental costs. Conversely, if you were at fault, you might need to rely on your policy, which may have limits or exclusions. 3. Claim process. Initiating a claim with your insurance provider is often the first step in securing a replacement hire car. This might involve providing details about the accident and how it affects your vehicle. The rental process. Once you've confirmed your coverage, the process of securing a replacement hire car typically follows these steps. First, contact your insurance agent. Reach out to your insurance agent or claims department to discuss your needs. They can provide guidance on your coverage and any necessary documentation for renting a vehicle. Next, choose a rental company. Many major rental companies, such as Enterprise and Hertz, have specific programs in place for accident replacements. They often work directly with insurance companies in streamlining the process for customers. Websites like Enterprise and Hertz provide valuable information about their rental services for those involved in accidents. Then, reserve your vehicle. If you need a rental car immediately, many companies allow you to reserve a vehicle before all claims details are finalized. This way you can pick up your rental and sort out the specifics later. Finally, documentation. Be prepared to present your driver's license, insurance information, and any documents related to the accident when picking up your rental vehicle. Who pays for the rental car? This is a common question that arises after an accident. If you're not at fault, the at-fault party's insurance is typically responsible for covering the rental costs. However, if you are at fault, your own insurance policy will dictate whether rental car expenses are covered. In some cases, you may need to pay up front and seek reimbursement later. Tips for a smooth rental experience. To ensure a hassle-free experience when renting a car after an accident, consider the following tips. Read the fine print. Familiarize yourself with the rental agreement, including mileage limits, fuel policies, and insurance options. Inspect the vehicle. Before driving off, inspect the rental car for any pre-existing damage and ensure it's documented by the rental company. This can save you from potential disputes later. Understand your responsibilities. If you encounter issues with the rental car, such as breakdowns or accidents, know the proper procedures to follow. Most rental companies provide guidance on what to do in these situations. Keep receipts. If your insurance requires you to pay for the rental up front, be sure to keep all receipts for reimbursement purposes. Conclusion. Navigating the world of accident replacement hire cars can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and preparation you can make the process much smoother. Understanding your insurance coverage is key, as is knowing who is responsible for rental costs. By following the outlined steps and tips, you can ensure that you remain mobile while your vehicle is being repaired. Accidents can disrupt our lives, but with a replacement hire car you can keep moving forward, whether it's running errands, commuting to work, or simply enjoying a weekend getaway. Having a rental car can help maintain your routine during a challenging time. So, if you find yourself in this situation, don't hesitate to reach out to your insurance provider and rental companies, and remember to drive safely. For more information and resources on car hire after an accident, visit www.CarHire.Claims and empower yourself with the knowledge you need to navigate this process confidently. Happy driving.